Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. And today is Monday, November 5th, with a couple of announcements for today. Boys and girls, if you're working on your PTCO butter braids orders, those are due this Friday. So hopefully you had a good weekend selling those, as the orders will be due this Friday. So please make sure you turn them in to your teacher. For our lunch choices for today, we have corn dog, orange chicken with rice, or some butter and jelly sandwich. And today with the fourth grade students, they decided that today would be a good day to kind of show things about the playground swing outside because they have noticed that some problems have occurred out there with the swing. So I'll let the girls explain this.
Okay, boys and girls, for our pause, we're going to focus on playground behavior and looking at our swing that is brand new this year. So the girls had said there have been some problem areas, especially with the swing, with people pushing it and then not getting out of the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you the proper way to do this. As you can see, Chloe is pushing it from behind. She's not following it. And there is only two people on the seat at one time. And when you need to stop it then, you need to get a hold of it and just slow it down slowly. And usually if you just have a couple people helping you, it will come to a complete stop pretty quick. And then you can get off and then you can take turns and the next people come on.
Well, thank you very much, girls, about that. That was a great video to show because I know that's been an area of problems out there on the playground swing. So please make sure that you follow that example, please. And that includes after school, too. So, because I've seen many people I've talked to about problems with it after school. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you, and please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for a Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls. I appreciate that very much for our Pledge of Allegiance. Okay, boys and girls, today is Monday. It's the start of a brand new week. Can make new things happen this week, so let's make some great choices. The choices are yours, so let's make a good one happen. I'm sure I'll see all of you very, very soon.